Look here, friends, I generated this photo using ChatGPT. But without writing any prompt, I simply gave ChatGPT a photo, and it wrote the exact prompt needed to recreate that same image. Is that really possible? Absolutely yes, friends, you can do it too. I'm Krishna, and you're watching The Edit Man. Before we start the video, I'd like to request all of you, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon, because I keep bringing videos like this for you every day. So let's start the video. Just imagine if you have any photo, whether it's a nature photo or an AI concept image, and you give that photo to ChatGPT, then the AI will write a brand new prompt for you to generate a similar image. What will happen then? You'll become a master of prompts. Yes, it's absolutely possible, so let's see how it works. Now, let's move to our mobile screen. I've turned on the screen recorder, it's running here on the side. First of all, we need a photo, the one we want to recreate or make a similar version of. Here, I'm going into my gallery, and I have a photo that's a bit unusual. As you can see, it's a crab, but it has a human head, and next to it, there's an octopus with a girl's head. Now, we want to create a similar kind of image. If you want to make an image like this, you need to give ChatGPT a command to write a prompt for you. But first, you have to carefully understand and analyze the situation shown in the photo, and then give ChatGPT the right command. Only then will ChatGPT generate an accurate prompt for you. Still, there's a chance it might make a few mistakes, and the AI might generate a slightly different image. But this is a simple method. ChatGPT will give you a prompt to generate an image exactly like your photo. Here's what you need to do. First, go to ChatGPT. From here, open ChatGPT. I've opened ChatGPT now. Then, click on the plus icon and click on the photo section. After that, choose the photo you have, the one you want to generate a similar image of. Select the photo and click Done. Now your photo has been uploaded to ChatGPT. Next, you just need to give ChatGPT a short command. What command? Simply say, write a prompt to generate an image like this. Alright, we've given it a short command, write a prompt to generate an image like this. Now, we'll click Done here. Now ChatGPT will analyze this photo, and after that, it will give us a prompt to generate the same kind of photo. As you can see here, our prompt is ready. From here, we'll copy this prompt. I've copied the prompt, and after copying it, we'll go to Gemini AI. I've opened Gemini here. After opening Gemini, we'll select Create Image, then paste the prompt into the prompt box and click on the arrow button. Now, based on the prompt we gave, it's generating an image for us. Let's see what kind of image it creates. Very nice. As you can see, the image it generated looks exactly like the original one. It even made it more realistic. Look here, this is a crab with a half-human body on top, and this is an octopus with a half-girl body on top, just like the situation we described. It generated the image exactly as per our prompt. In this way, you can generate any image of your choice exactly the same as the original very easily and in very little time. To download the image, click on the arrow icon shown at the top, and the image will be downloaded. Now look, the image has appeared in our gallery. See how realistic it looks. Just like the original image that had a boy and a girl, this one has also been generated in the same way. So friends, this is how you can easily get any image prompt written by ChatGPT and generate your desired image within 10 seconds. I hope you all understood it well. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, because I keep bringing such videos for you all. So friends, let's meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.